Okay, welcome to the video segment for our collection sheet. This is I'm going to keep this video short and sweet because it's very simple. I really don't do very much work on the computer with this. I simply set this up once to my location or whatever location you're using it for, and then I just print it off. And I use this at the laundromat while I'm doing my collections. After I collect all my coins from my top load washer, I can go and I can enter on whatever day of the week it is. Say if it's Monday and I have 10 pounds, I can just enter right there with a pencil or pen, whatever, 10 pounds on Monday. And if the following week I'm collecting on Tuesday, or if I'm making two collections, I can just handwrite on whatever day I'm collecting. So now if I go back to a previous year and I'm comparing numbers, I can say, oh, this week I had 8 days in my count, or I had 6 days in that count, and I can just kind of look and get a good idea of, if I just want to quickly compare numbers at the collection site. So another thing is maybe you don't have a 40-pound washer and you have a triple loader instead of a 40-pound. Do like I did and just type right over it. It's very simple to do. If you need, maybe you don't have an 80-pound washer, you want to delete that line entirely. Right click, delete. That deletes that line. Now just remember to delete that line in each of these boxes below also, so you have a total of 5 weeks there. If you make a mistake, just click undo. And so basically you're just going to set this up with your equipment. You may want to, if you have a lot of equipment, maybe you don't want to bulk all of your vending machines into one category. You want to separately count your soda vending versus your snack vending versus your whatever. Maybe you have a pinball machine or whatever you got going there. If you want to track those individually, maybe do another sheet and just name this soda vending, snack vending, pinball machine, detergent vending. Just name it, and then you can put down your collections for those machines. So you'll have one for your washers and dryers and another sheet for your vending. So you don't want to go ahead and add. You can also right click here and add a line, insert right there, and then you can name this line whatever you want. You would have to do that in each box below it for each week, I should say, week 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the problem is if you add too many lines, it's going to be, when you print it, it's going to shrink it down to where it's just too small. It's going to be tough to read, or it might just be tough to input your numbers because the boxes will be so small. So generally I try not to go with too many more lines than what we have right here, because this will still print and be a good size. So so that is it, and thank you.